Hey peoples, it's Mother's Day and we greeted our mother Earth in Happy Mother's Day, and my sister cooked foods like pancit, pork calderita, and some delicacies, Filipino delicacies, and crops and sweets. And after my sister cooking, we ate together. And that's how we celebrated our Mother's Day. So, to those who are not subscribed our channel, if you people watching my videos, don't forget to click subscribe after watching or upon watching my videos. And to those who done subscribing me, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. And don't forget, to those who are not done subscribing, please subscribe. Thank you. God bless.